Imagine waking up to the gentle warmth of the sun, stepping outside into your own backyard, and being greeted by the sight of vibrant raspberry bushes heavy with fruit. Can you picture reaching out and picking a handful of sweet, juicy raspberries, still glistening with morning dew, right from your own garden? It's a simple pleasure that brings a sense of peace and accomplishment to your day. The berries are a brilliant ruby red, warmed by the sun, and bursting with flavor that's far superior to anything you could ever buy at the store. Each bite is a reminder of the care you've put into growing them, and the freshness is unmatched. As you pick, you might hear birds singing nearby, adding a cheerful soundtrack to your morning. There's a quiet pride in knowing that you've nurtured these plants from tiny canes into fruitful bushes, and now you're reaping the rewards of your effort. This peaceful, rewarding routine could be yours with just a bit of planning and regular care. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, growing raspberries at home is a journey anyone can start. You might be surprised to learn that raspberries are actually quite easy to grow. They don't require a green thumb or years of experience, just a willingness to learn and a little bit of patience. Raspberries don't need a lot of space either. Even if you have a small backyard or just a sunny patio, you can grow them in the ground or in large containers. Their adaptability makes them perfect for almost any home. With a few simple steps, like choosing the right spot, planting healthy canes, and giving them regular water, you'll be amazed at how quickly your raspberry patch can flourish. Each summer you'll look forward to a new harvest of delicious berries. Imagine the joy of sharing your homegrown raspberries with friends and family, or sprinkling them over your morning cereal, yogurt, or desserts. These berries aren't just a treat, they're a way to bring people together and add a burst of natural sweetness to your meals. The process of growing raspberries is rewarding from start to finish. From planting the first cane to watching the bushes grow and thrive, every step brings its own satisfaction. There's something magical about watching your raspberry plants transform, seeing the first delicate flowers bloom, then slowly turn into clusters of ripe, juicy berries. Harvesting your first basket is a moment of pure joy and accomplishment. Plus, raspberries are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. They're a healthy snack you can feel good about eating and sharing. If you're curious about gardening but don't know where to start, raspberries are a fantastic choice. They're forgiving, resilient, and offer quick rewards, making them ideal for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. So, let's take this journey together. We'll walk through every step, from choosing the right variety to planting, caring, and harvesting, so you can soon enjoy the simple pleasure of picking fresh, homegrown raspberries right outside your door. Taste, health, and joy. Raspberries are one of the tastiest and most rewarding fruits you can grow in your own backyard. There's something truly special about harvesting your own berries, knowing exactly where they came from and how they were grown. The experience of picking sun-warmed raspberries straight from the bush is unlike anything you can buy at the store. Their sweet, slightly tangy flavor is loved by kids and adults alike, making them a favorite treat for the whole family. Whether you're sharing a bowl with friends on a summer afternoon or letting children snack as they play in the garden, raspberries bring people together. When you pick them fresh, the taste is even better than store-bought berries. Homegrown raspberries are often juicier, more flavorful, and have a delicate texture that's hard to find in supermarket fruit, which is often picked before it's fully ripe. They are soft and juicy, perfect for eating right off the bush, tossing into your morning cereal, blending into smoothies, or baking into delicious desserts like pies and jams. The possibilities are endless, and every bite bursts with fresh, natural flavor. Besides taste, raspberries are incredibly healthy. They're a guilt-free snack packed with nutrients that support your overall well-being. They are a great source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage and keep you feeling your best. Just a handful of raspberries can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin needs. Eating them can help your heart, boost your immune system, and even improve your skin. The antioxidants in raspberries fight free radicals, while the fiber supports digestion and heart health. Homegrown berries are also free from chemicals and pesticides, so you can enjoy them with peace of mind, knowing they're as pure and natural as possible. Growing raspberries is not just about food, it is also about the fun and satisfaction of gardening. Planting, tending, and harvesting your own fruit is a rewarding hobby that connects you with nature and provides a sense of accomplishment. Watching your plants grow, bloom, and bear fruit gives a sense of achievement. Each season brings new growth and the promise of another delicious harvest, making gardening a year-round joy. Even if you are new to gardening, raspberries are simple to manage. They don't require much space or special equipment, and with just a little care, even beginners can enjoy a bountiful crop. Plus, raspberry plants can last for many years. Once established, they come back season after season, producing more fruit with each passing year. With a little care, like pruning, watering, and mulching, you can enjoy fruit from the same plants year after year. Raspberries are a gift that keeps on giving, rewarding your efforts with delicious harvests. This means less work in the future, and more berries to enjoy. Growing raspberries is a simple way to add beauty, flavor, and health to your life, while creating memories with those you love. There are many types of raspberries, but most fall into two groups, summer-bearing and everbearing, which are also called fall-bearing. Summer-bearing raspberries give one big crop in early summer. Everbearing types produce two crops, one in summer and a smaller one in fall. If you want lots of berries at once for jam or freezing, choose summer-bearing varieties. If you prefer snacking on fresh berries over a longer period, pick everbearing types. Some popular choices include Heritage, which is everbearing, Tulamine, which is a summer variety, and Autumn Bliss, another everbearing type. Raspberry plants come in red, yellow, purple, and even black. Red raspberries are the easiest to grow for beginners. Yellow and black types may need more care and are a bit more sensitive to cold or hot weather. Check which varieties grow well in your area. Local garden centers or extension offices can help you choose. Picking the right type for your climate means healthier plants and more berries. The best time to plant raspberries is in early spring, after the ground is thawed but before plants start to grow. In warmer regions, you can also plant in late fall. Starting with bare root plants or young canes from a nursery is easiest for beginners. Before planting, soak the roots in water for about an hour. This helps them wake up and take off quickly in the soil. Make sure the planting spot is ready. Raspberries like loose, well-draining ground. Dig a hole just big enough for the roots. Place the plant in the hole, spreading the roots out gently. Cover with soil so the base of the stem is just at ground level. Press the soil down lightly and water the plant well. Planting early gives your raspberries time to grow strong roots before summer heat arrives. Mark where you plant each cane so you do not lose track of them as they start to grow. Raspberries need plenty of sunlight to produce sweet, juicy, and full berries. Sunlight is the energy source that powers the growth of the plant and helps the berries develop their rich flavor and vibrant color. Without enough sun, raspberry plants can become leggy, weak, and produce fewer, less flavorful fruits. So if you want a bountiful harvest, sunlight is absolutely essential. That's why you'll want to choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sun each day, though more is even better. Take some time to observe your yard throughout the day to see which areas get the most consistent sunlight. Using a sunlight meter can help you be sure you've picked the perfect spot for your raspberry patch. Morning sun is especially beneficial, since it helps dry dew from the leaves early in the day. This not only keeps the plants healthy, but also reduces the risk of fungal diseases that thrive in damp conditions. When raspberry leaves dry quickly after a cool night, the plants are less likely to develop problems like powdery mildew or leaf spot. Good airflow is important too. A gentle breeze moving through your raspberry patch helps keep the foliage dry and healthy. Air circulation is often overlooked, but it's just as important as sunlight for growing strong, productive plants. Try to avoid planting raspberries right next to walls, fences, or other solid barriers where air can't move freely. When air is trapped, humidity builds up, creating the perfect environment for diseases to take hold. Instead, plant your raspberries in an open area where breezes can reach all sides of the plants. Airflow helps prevent diseases and keeps leaves dry after rain or watering. When water sits on the leaves for too long, it can invite fungal infections and other problems. With good air movement, your raspberry plants will recover quickly after a rainstorm or a morning watering. Soil is key for happy raspberry plants. The right soil gives roots the nutrients, moisture, and support they need to grow strong and healthy. Raspberries thrive in soil that is loose, well-draining, and full of organic matter. They like soil that drains well, is rich in organic material, and is slightly acidic, with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Testing your soil before planting is a smart step, so you can adjust the pH or add compost as needed. Healthy soil means healthy plants and bigger, tastier berries. If your soil is heavy clay or very sandy, go ahead and mix in compost or peat moss before planting. Compost improves drainage in clay soils and helps sandy soils hold onto moisture and nutrients. Amending your soil now will pay off with stronger plants and better harvests for years to come. Before planting, make sure to remove all weeds and grass from the area. Weeds compete with your raspberries for water, nutrients, and sunlight, and can quickly take over if left unchecked. Taking the time to clear the bed thoroughly will give your new plants the best possible start. This stops your raspberries from having to compete for water and nutrients. Mulching around your plants after planting can also help keep weeds down and conserve soil moisture, making it easier for your raspberries to thrive. A clean, sunny spot really gives you the best start. With the right combination of sunlight, airflow, and rich, well-prepared soil, your raspberry plants will be set up for a healthy, productive season, and you'll be enjoying delicious homegrown berries in no time. When planting raspberries, space each cane about 2 to 3 feet apart. Leave about 6 feet between rows if planting more than one row. This gives each plant room to grow and makes it easy to walk between for picking and care. Raspberries grow tall and need support. Set up a simple trellis or wire system before the plants get big. You can string sturdy wire between posts about 3 to 4 feet high. Tie canes loosely to the wires as they grow to keep them upright. After planting, water the new canes well. Keep the soil damp but not soggy for the first few weeks. Watch for new shoots coming up from the ground. This means your plants are settling in. As your raspberries grow, check often to make sure the canes stay supported. Strong supports help prevent damage from wind or heavy fruit and make picking easier. Raspberries need regular water, especially in the first year. Water deeply once or twice a week, and even more if the weather is hot or dry. The soil should stay moist but not waterlogged. Wet feet can cause root rot. Feed your plants in early spring with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. You can also use compost or well-rotted manure around the base. This gives plants the nutrients they need to grow strong canes and big berries. Mulching is a smart step for all raspberry growers. Spread 2 to 3 inches of straw, bark, or shredded leaves around the base of the plants. Mulch keeps the soil cool, keeps weeds down, and holds in moisture. Check the mulch every few weeks and add more if it looks thin. In hot areas, mulch helps protect roots from high temperatures and keeps berries from drying out. Pruning raspberries is easy and helps produce more berries. For summer-bearing types, cut back canes that made fruit right after the harvest. Leave the new green canes. They will produce next year's crop. For everbearing types, you can cut all canes down in late winter for a single fall crop, or just remove old canes for 2 crops a year. Good pruning makes it easier for sunlight and air to reach all leaves and fruits. This means bigger, healthier berries and fewer problems with disease. Birds love raspberries as much as we do, so you may need to protect your crop. Cover plants with bird netting when berries start to ripen. Secure the net well at the base so birds cannot get underneath. Watch for pests like beetles or caterpillars. Pick them off by hand, or use safe garden sprays if needed. Most problems can be stopped early with regular checks. Raspberries are ready to pick when they are full-colored, soft, and come off the stem with a gentle pull. Pick berries every few days during the season. Handle them carefully. They crush easily. Eat your fresh raspberries right away or keep them in the fridge for a few days. You can freeze extra berries for later. Just lay them out on a tray to freeze, then store in bags. Growing raspberries at home is simple, fun, and rewarding. With a little care, your plants will give you fresh fruit for years. Even if you have never gardened before, you can succeed with these easy steps. So why not try planting raspberries this year? With some sunshine, water, and love, you will soon be enjoying sweet, homegrown berries. Happy gardening!